Welcome everyone to the channel. Today we are going to explore a useful feature in the Sketchbook app that can improve your drawing experience. In this video, I will show you how to turn on the small double puck. First, open the Sketchbook app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then, from the menu that appears, scroll down and tap on Preferences. Then, locate the small double puck option and turn it on by tapping the toggle switch. This will activate the small double puck feature, giving you more control over your drawing interface. Finally, to save your changes, click on Done at the top left of the screen. Your small double puck is now enabled and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.